Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I'm asking for your help. And today is my anniversary and I need your help. Yes, I've done the dun and I didn't get a gift for my wife. I know I got to get bronze and or pottery. You can beat me up later, but help me get out of this. Or that shirt that you saw the other day that says yes dear, all of that's going to the wayside. So help me out with some quick gift ideas in the comment section down below. Don't worry about it. My wife rarely ever watches my videos anymore. Cool? All right, you all, let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today, yes, I got an awesome watch face we're going to take a look at, and this is Free Watch Face Tuesday. So that means all the watch faces are going to be free. All right, so let's check them out. This one is called Go Bling. I'm liking this one. I like the look. It has a very sharp look and detail. I like it. You got your gold time, PM stamp. You get Monday the 21st. You also get your step info. What more can you ask out of this watch face? No, it is not interactive. But listen, I like the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. That looks nice. You can get away with wearing this a little dressy, depending on what you got on for that day if you're super casual. I say check this one out in the Gear Manager store. It's worth the download. Watch face number 2. Now number 2, I'm liking number 2. The name of this one is called Easy Driver Watch. It's a very unique look. It's a black watch face, and in always on mode, you're going to get the same exact look. It's just going to be dimmed down. The same thing you're going to get for number 1. I didn't get to show you, but that one's going to also be dimmed down too. This one here is nice. I like the design. It's very unique. It stands out from all the rest of the watch faces that you will see in the Gear Manager store. Now, your time is going to be written out in Roman numerals, which isn't a bad look at all. But you're also going to get information on your battery, also your date. So I'm liking this. And if I tap right here, I can go in and check out my battery. And right here, it won't let me bring up anything. I wish you can bring up the calendar. But again, remember, it is a free watch face, so go download it right now. Let's go on and check out watch face number 3. Ladies, this one is for you. Last but not least, watch face number 3. This one I thought was really cool. I wish they had one for the guys. So developer, if you're watching this video, make one for the men. Please, make one for the men. Now, the name of this watch face is called Gimme Watch face. Very nice looking watch face, very unique. This thing isn't interactive, but it looks really, really nice. And it's going to give you digital time and always on mode. But I'm telling you, I thought the developer got down on this. I wish that it was, interactive where you tapped on here and it brought the calendar up or some type of feature or function. So maybe, just maybe, if you need to make a paid version, developer, check that out. Just a thought. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Free Watch Face Tuesday. We got round 2 coming up, so look out for that. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor. Don't go before you hit the like button. Huck's World needs the help. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.